Okay, so this is Washwood Heath Road, and this is Drew's Lane, and in the front, as you can see, the old board for LDV vans still there. So this is now, and about 20 years ago, 25 years ago, when it was demolished, closed down. It's LDV, as you can see. That board is still there. And that's Drew's Lane there, as you can see there. No, I've got the camera facing the wrong directions. There we are. Drew's Lane, Birmingham 8. Yeah, that's better. So that's the opposite side of the former factory. It's a very big site. I think it's inside. It's just after Long Bridge. Long Bridge was slightly bigger than it's this. So this is one of the gates. Okay, let me just zoom it. There we go. LDV Vans Direct Used Van Center. So probably this is where they used to sell the used vans. That's one of the gates. And here, opposite this gate, is Wood End Road. We'll have a walk on that in a bit. I mean, you know, it's really massive. It's really big. And from here you can see the Star City, the M6, the motorway. Is it the M6? Yeah, I think it's the M6. And the houses on Common Lane. Yes, Common Lane. So this is going to be the D part for the HS2, I think. And this as well, this bit as well. Okay, so the photo we've seen of this beautiful building, it was on here. It was here. I think that was it was the offices for the layland. I mean, for the LDV vans, and that's been demolished. I think they should have saved them that building. It was a beautiful building, and it could have been converted into flats. You know, it's all demolished. As you can see, they are at it now for the HS2. You got diggers and building work going on there. Okay, this is one of the other entrances. What remains old from that factory is this wall here, which is really nice. You can see the brickworks on there. I mean, look at the brickworks. It's really nice. That's what's left from the old factory. It's really nice. Okay, so this is the opposite side.